Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
QR codes have been around for a while, but 2017's iOS 11 update allows QR codes to be scanned directly through the camera app. That means, QR codes are now native to most smartphones, and users no longer need to download a separate app to use QR codes. Below is a guide to other smart codes for your firm to use in 2020.
Take our lead.
1. QR codes and 2D tags in general are ugly, generic and mess with a brand's aesthetic, destroying much of the investment made by brands to develop distinct brand identities. 2. The codes have limited uses and are only capable of translating into a text string that sends users to a website, phone number or SMS.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Microsoft Tag. Microsoft Tag is most like a QR code. Microsoft Tag is probably the most similar to QR codes. Like QR codes, Tag is a type of barcode that when scanned by a tag reader links the user to online content.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
A QR code reader is a must for many. This is the biggest downside to using QR codes. Mobile users have no choice but to download a QR reader before they can start scanning. Although there are a lot of free apps out there, this can still limit the number of users who can access the codes.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Microsoft Tag is most like a QR code. Tag is a type of barcode that when scanned by a tag reader links the user to online content. Some of the advantages of Microsoft Tag include these: they're faster than QR codes. You can store more data on a tag than you can a QR code.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.